Today, Mosko Outdoors checks in from Missouri. It's the second week of November. The temperatures are dropping. The rut is in full swing, and we find ourselves hunting with my good friend Don Cox of Grand River Outfitters. Joining me this week is staff member John Whitetail as we set our sights on mature Missouri whitetails. Filming during the rut can be extremely challenging, and this hunt was no exception to that rule. This beautiful buck showed up, and unfortunately, I just couldn't get the kill shot on film.
Alright guys, here we are. Pat Mosko Outdoors. Another gorgeous buck this year. Just got to give a shout out and huge thanks to Don Cox from Grand River Outfitters. We've had just an amazing time in the stand. We're only on the third day, the morning of the third day, and I've seen countless bucks, countless deer chasing, and we were lucky enough to get a good clean shot on this beautiful buck right here. The rut is on, guys. Stay tuned.
Outdoors hunting rifle opener with Northern Missouri Grand River Outfitters. Looks like I just put a good hit on a nice 9-point, it looks like a mainframe 8 with a kicker coming off the G2. Looked to be a great shot. Don's really got us set up here great where we decided to sit a whole day. Pat's probably 400 or 500 yards away in another blind. I had this buck come in, gave me opportunity when he's chasing some doe. You'll see in the footage I've probably seen 40 deer today, maybe 10 bucks.